What's up guys, Alien here, and today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial in Element 3D. Basically what it's going to be doing is showing you how to make your own textures in Element 3D. So I'm going to show you what I mean. It's like a beginner tutorial. I'm pretty sure like if you've been using this program for at least a week or a couple days or so, you'll figure out how to make your own textures. But if you just got it, or you actually still don't know how to make your own textures, well, here you go. So I already made my own textures right here. There's a way to save them. I just can't remember. Oh yeah, save material as a preset. Let me just save these real quick. I should have saved these earlier, but I didn't. Alright, so basically, let me delete these out now. Hold on. You're going to want to make 2 new materials if you haven't already. Now, if you already have, then you're good right now. So, I already went into Cinema 4D and cracked this. That's why there's 2 of them. There's an outer and there's an inside. Yours is going to be named differently because yours is going to be named differently because I actually wanted to rename these myself. But say I would go ahead and import my model, whatever, which is right here, which I'm not going to do again because I already have the intro, because this is the intro for my new clan. So basically what we're going to do is we're just going to delete these out if I can. Let me just put this default on there real quick. Alright, so I'm going to name this outer, and name this one inner. Alright, okay, so put the inner one. If you already went in and cracked it or whatever, I'll give you guys a link to a tutorial on how to do that. It's not by me, it's by Chudla Designs. I think it's his name. I can't really remember it. I know it has Chudla or Chudley, or I can't remember how to say his name. But I don't know, I follow him, I watch some of his tutorials, but I decided to make this because not a lot of people, and it took me a little bit to figure out how to make these textures myself. So I'm just going to delete the unused materials and go out to the outer one. So whichever one, I have these lava materials. I'm going to use this one for the inside and this one for the outside. Anyway, I'll be making a material pack in a few seconds that I'll release tomorrow or so you guys can download it. But anyway, the lava texture, I'm going to put this one on the outside, so just drag it down to here to the diffuse, and then go to the inner one, and make sure you have these open before you go into Element 3D, because if you don't, it's not going to open. I mean, you're not going to be able to open the lava cracks, the lava textures, or your textures you're using. So go back down here and do the same thing you just did with that. Now what you want to do, you want to start from the inside to the out. So just pick a color that there is in here, it's like orange or reddish or so. Go to the diffuse color and go down to here to either dark red, or I'm not going to do an orange. I can do that. Okay, and then you want to copy and then paste this on the normal bump. You actually probably want to always do this because it gives it a texture to it. And then you want to do the same thing with this outer texture. You want to take a color that you want from this. So this one is actually also orange. So hold on. All right, let me find like a red. You have to play around with it. That's what I'm basically talking about. So copy and then paste on the normal bump again. Alright, so it's kind of hard to see, so I might want to... Alright. So basically now what you want to do, you can play around with these settings. You can always change them. You can always go out of it and change them. But this is basically how you make your own materials in here. You just take and drag a texture on there. It's basically simple copy and pasting, so you just want that, and then you put them everywhere else and wherever you want. It makes it look better. Besides using these standard ones or using the Pro Shader ones, the Pro Shader ones are actually pretty good. I suggest you go out and get them. I'll put some links in the description so you guys can go get them. There is obviously ways out there to get them for free, but you're gonna have to just find that yourself. So basically, and now as you guys can see, that's the textures and stuff I just made. It's actually still loading. I'm not sure if it's exactly what I just made, but anyway, it's pretty easy. It's pretty simple. A lot of people think Element 3D is better than Cinema 4D. Well, Cinema 4D is actually created for complete 3D, and you can do a lot more stuff on it, but it's just more stuff involved and more complicated. This is the easy version of Cinema 4D, I guess, and this is a very powerful plugin. I suggest you get it if you haven't. And again, the same thing with the shaders I just said. Easy ways to get them for free and stuff like that. So basically, I hope you guys learned something. It took me a little bit to figure out how to do all this. If you want a Element 3D tutorial, I can make one. How to make an intro. I can also teach you guys how to do that. So anyway, any other questions? Leave them in the comments. See you guys later.